Bannange kansubire muli bulungi mwenna gye muwangalira olunaku lwaliro mbaleetedde scholarship ennungi and make sure nti you apply as quick as possible. Omuntu yenna ayagala scholarship eno bagenda kusindika abantu wangi so gwe kennyini basobola okusindika eBangkok, basobola okusindika abantu wangi nnyo. Kati gwe jangu nange toogire, genda ku Google oteekemu ekigambo Peace Fellowship Application, ogenda kujja wano eno for Rotary International, you tap on this. Kati nga tetunaba kugenda wano eno kweno page, manya eno application ngenda balagako eligibility and each and everything oba okitegeera. Kati kweno gundi eno scholarship basobola okusindika eBangkok nga embagambe, ne bakusindika Duke University eyo North Carolina, ne bakusindika ku University of Bradford eri England, International Christian University, universities nyingi zibadiringa nazo. So kati gwe nze simanyi bagenda kusindika, it depends on what you want. Kale si gwe nga gwe, but it depends on what they will want you to go. So let us go together until the end. Anyway, ati waneno osobola gamba apply, but before that ngenda kugamba waneno. Let me kanjire waneno. Okay. Bagamba, we are now accepting Rotary Peace Fellowship applications for the 2025 to 2026 academic year. Candidates have until 15th of May 2024 to submit their application. Right now, submit right now. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also forward this thing to someone else. Kati tugenda kola tutya, bakugambe wali eri kati wano just nkulagako waneno gundi bakugamba waneno mbadde nsaba weesomere ebintu bineno kubanga sigenda bimala ate sagala kule no video ebere empavu because you don't watch it. Nga bakugamba waneno review the eligibility restriction below and bichi gwe kennyini. Kati nina ekintu kyenjagala balagako, bakugamba waneno on 5 bagamba gather required document applications required a resume, academic and or a professional recommendation, personal video statement and essay, transcript from the post-secondary school, secondary college and university attended, oboshitegeera, English language proficiency tests and social impact plan. Allow time to require university transcript and register for IELTS bichi ebyekigezo. Nga bakugamba wano submit your application between February and 15th of May. You still have time, but you don't have enough time. So right now, I'll start applying. All applications are considered final upon the submission. Ensure your academic and professional recommendations and Rotary Club blah blah blah. Okay, kati wano eno mbadde nsaba go wenyini weesomeremo sigenda kulwawo naye nga apply right now. Kati nga bakugamba waneno certificate program eligibility, nga bakugamba certificate for the candidates for the certificate program at Makerere University, Kampala, Uganda, either must be from Africa. Banange Ugandans an opportunity yamwe. This is your opportunity. Omuntu yenna wobanga wamaliriza secondary school, apply this. Naye bagenda kugamba era ngenda kulaga nti emyaka 3 gyokka woba wamaliriza lemise nga wamaliriza mu 2021 tuli mu 2022. Yes, obanga amaliza mu 2021 right now apply. Eno gundi it is the same as malengo obokitegede naye it eno ndalako kuyeri eri Germany eno ndala obokitegera. So apply. Mwenda ababadde bagamba senior 6 apply, amuntu ali ku university apply. Candidates bakugamba waneno. Candidates for the bichi Uganda either must be from Africa, have worked in Africa, work with African community or initiatives outside the continent, or demonstrate interest in learning about biki peace byonna. Kati ne bakugamba ne waneene walala omuntu yenna candidate yenna any candidate from this certificate program at this university oba bagiyitaani oba Bishere University, Istanbul, Turkey, either must be from the Middle East or North Africa, have worked eno gundi nungi bana Uganda, do it, go for it, tuchikube nga twakuba marengo. Kati jangu waneeno bakugamba waneeno nti submit application biki byonna byesomere ne bagamba throughout the process application are reviewed and based on following criteria: qualification based on eligibility requirements: English proficiency, commitment to peace and development, leadership potential, compatibility, byonna bibyawo fix simanyi bagiyita batya siraba na bulungi, academic record, biki byonna okitegeera. So kati tugende wano ku eligibility, baani abatakkirizibwa kubeera nga bafuna this scholarship. Wobanga oli member wa Rotary Club toli, wobanga oli muzzukulu wa Rotary Club togira, wobanga like these are the things, wobanga spouse wo wa Rotary gundi eno biki Rotary clubs mweziri Uganda nga zikola charities. So webanga oyina akakwate kwaba abantu obanga oli member, please don't apply, this thing is not for you. Anyway, tugende maaso. Bakugamba resources and refers: master program postcard rather, certificate program, biki byonna bibyawo oba kitegeera. So if you want to apply, how are you going to do it? Come here and say apply. When you come here and apply, jangu waneeno oteekemu email yo, oteekemu ne password oba kitegedde. Kati since you don't have any gundi, say genda wano gambe I don't have account, then mukitegedde kyembagambe you cannot log in because you don't have an email and password. So ogenda wano wansi, I hope nsobola okuddayo wano wansi, here wano I don't have an account or register. Then you come here and click here I don't have an account, then you start applying. Kitegeera. Okay, kati wano wemulaba waneeno ntaddewo eno email mfu byange naye gwe check out email yentuufu. You create and register, then you go here, you put your telephone number in case they call you, then you say register. Oba kitegeera. So wogira register, then nga weeyongerayo oba kitegedde, then you will go to this page, you start your application. Sigenda kumalayo bino bintu oba kitegeera. Go here, come read these things and you start applying oba kitegedde. Apply and apply. Nze sigenda kulwawo kubanga video eno jjajji kulebera ki mpanvu. Kati wojijja waneeno ogenda kujja waneeno kiribule wansi waneeno ngomaze osoma ebintu bino, then ogambe wano save and next. Then when you go to next, then they are going to ask you these kind of questions: terms, biki, how many years of the biki. You fill each and everything here. I cannot fill it because I'm not going to apply for it. But really take your time, you answer all the questions. After that, go ojira save and next, such that you complete the thing. Wano sigenda kulwawo bambi, mukama bampera omukisa. Omuntu yenna kyandinyumidde nnyo. Before you watch this video, you comment ko down oba kyonna kyoyagala. I want you to comment down something you have not even understood. Bakugamba waneeno kambalage wano katono. Nga bakugamba based on your response to our eligibility questions, you are eligible to apply for both the master degree program and the certificate program. So questions, email us biki in case you have any question. In case I don't work with these people, I'm not an agent. Nze muna Uganda ayagala okukola research. So wenfuna research bweti nenjagala ogisharingako ne bana Uganda bannange. So ebiseera ebisinga wompininga ennyo, I will lose it, to be honest. So nkugira in case of any question, email these people, email them, they will reply you. Be polite, ask them a question in case you have not understood anything. I love you, may God bless you. Ciao, ciao.